Hanging out here at North Landing Bridge, waiting for the opening. About 18 minutes. A little bit early, but we can't go fast enough to get the one that comes before this. That's Mermaid Monster up ahead of us in Nordhoven 55. Both of us headed to Coinjock today. Just hanging out in the ICW. This is kind of the long, boring ride of this whole thing. Just driving the boat along. Still cruising down the ICW, about 3 hours to go. Not much to say about this. This is a long, boring part of the trip. Mermaid Monster's a little bit faster than us. She's now about a half a mile ahead. Around the corner, can't see her now. It's just kind of this endless run down this little river. We passed some, or got passed by some cool Navy small boats. They're like these 50-foot, I don't know, jet-powered missiles. They're really cool looking boats. We didn't have a chance to get a video of them. They went through the lock behind us, then came up around us after, went through Great Bridge, and I don't know, through a couple more bridges and things. Got through all our bridges and locks on time. ETA is about 4 o'clock. Moving along, we're gonna keep on going down here a little longer, and we gotta cross Currituck Sound, and then we'll be on the approach to Coinjock. Still cruising down the ICW. 2 hours and 9 minutes to go according to the computer. So starting to open up into Currituck Sound here, but you still don't get a whole lot of water to navigate in. You gotta hold a nice straight line along the marks. But anyways, cruising along. There's maybe visible mermaids up ahead of us, a little more than half a mile. Just cruising along. Still cruising down the ICW. 1 hour to go. Coming to the end of the Currituck Sound, we got the JB Hunt ferry boat crossing ahead of us. We got Mermaid Monster up there about a half a mile. JB Hunt's going in between the two of us. There he is right there. Radar. So this thing kind of comes to an end up there. Go through another little narrow little cut, and another 8 miles up the road. We'll be there. Not much to see out here. Just a lot of shallow water. Depth's about 10 feet, 10 to 11 feet here.